Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Would you like a brand new quote to help kickstart your day? The Learn, Develop, Live podcast is here to bring you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is that quote from Banksy. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Sunday used to be the day of rest, but it's not that anymore in this modern world. Maybe it's just good to try and remember what Sunday used to be about. The reset, the recharging of your batteries and preparing yourself for another full-on week. Don't get stressed at where you aren't right now. Look at how far you've come so far. Do not get stressed and quit. Just look to rest, reset, and you'll be good to go again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.